Today's isolation video is kids with guns. Now, in the lockdown and obviously the imminent zombie apocalypse, there's two skills you're going to have: driving and shooting. So today's video is all about the shooting. So we've got various targets. We've got the duck shoot, which I think they do a vegan version of this, which has got like carrots and broccoli on, but this is the meat eaters version of the ducks. We've got a decoy duck here, and we've got some zombie cards. So we're going to have a little shooting competition. We've probably got 80 foot maybe, so we'll see how we get on. So teaching your kids to shoot. So what are you going to go for? This is first shot. We've got 3 shots each, and who gets the best?
Can't see one.
Yeah, no, it's like black. You need to go a little bit away from it, and there's like a little clear bit
Yeah,
that'll
yeah,
go
yeah.
round, and you got to get the clear
See?
bit on it.
Obviously if the zombies are attacking right this second, we'd be dead, but you know.
Press this.
Push it all the way forward, and then when you're ready to shoot, pull the trigger.
Am I holding it right?
Yeah.
Don't let your eye touch it. Hit something.
You hit the hedge, I think.
Was it?
Yeah.
No, I saw a bit of smoke come out somewhere. I don't know where it was.
You hit the ground or something. Right, come on.
I'm sweaty.
Go on, Jack. Right, Big Jack. He's on. You got to hit shoot a zombie because they're the hardest ones to get. Don't shoot.
The zombie on the red chair,
All right.
or on the incinerator.
I don't. That's a good. Yeah, do the incinerator one because that's actually quite a good. Let's see if I can get a close up. I don't think I can get a close up that far down.
No, I can't even see the target. I can see the zombie, but I can't see.
Go on and shoot the target, and I'll do a close up one. See if you can hit. I think you hit it. Hang on. Yeah, you're a bit off, but definitely hit it. There's the mark there. Got 2. That's a miss. Yeah. Oh no, it's not. No, you got in the target, in his hand. In his hand. Headshots only. Right, I'll get out of the way because Freya's on the gun. Hey! Yeah, you hit that because you knocked the target off. No, hit it in the top. Nearly hit it in the head. That was good. Dad's gonna have a go, see if he can get a headshot.
You hit the bird bang on the target.
Oh, did I?
Unless that was already there.
No, there should be 3 in there. One's under the peg.
Yeah, you hit the bird.
So we're going to try duck shooting now. Everyone had a fairly good go at the zombie, and there's 3 hits in there. So we're now on the ducks.
Put this over there.
Okay, kids with guns. It's promoting all the right things. Bit of concentration. Safety's off. Oh yes! That's 1 down. Best of 3. Oh, nearly. Went into it. That's a miss. Shot 3. Oh. No. That's 1 out of 3. Kids with guns. Jack's turn. 1 out of 3 to beat. No.
He's wobbling.
He might be wobbling, but he ain't down. They're hardcore then, ducks. So far, the one you want to be there to protect you if there's a zombie apocalypse is Freya. Shot 2. miles out, absolutely miles out. That didn't even hit the target. That was over the hedge. You're letting yourself down, Jack.
That's one back.
I hit one.
Jack's got to get this one to reprieve himself to draw level with Freya. Pressure's on.
Why can I not keep it in one space? Stay there.
Oh my god, that's 0 out of 3. So Dad's got to shut up being a gobshite and see if he can actually hit anything. Whoa, one down. Oh,
I can't keep it still.
Oh.
2 out of 3.
There you go.
Dad's the best. Round 2, best of 3. Freya's got 1 out of 3 the last time, so any better than that?
You got 2.
I got 2. Freya got 1. Jack got big fat 0. Oh, that really weird wobble, yeah.
I think
That went down
Oh,
or did it come back up?
I think you grazed it. I think that's
Are
definitely.
we counting that as a hit?
No, we're not. No, it's not down. It's not down. Shot 2. Oh, it's down.
That was down.
That definitely was down. It come back up. Yeah, you hit that one.
I'll go for that.
So that's 2. 2 out of 6 so far. So we got 2 out of 6 so far. Third and final shot.
Oh,
See the pellet coming out. Yeah, you hit. That's a bit high.
hit the backboard.
Close enough. If that zombie had a massive head, you'd be fine. That'd be dead. Still 2 out of 6. So Jack's got to make it up. Second round. So Jack needs 3 out of 3 to level or to beat his missus. If not, we might have to shoot him. Right, first shot. No, you did. That shot off a ricochet over there. Shot 5. That wasn't even close to the target. Ah dear. Shot 6. He's got to shoot. He's got to get something just to redeem some of his masculinity, I think. One out of 6. So I need one more to be highest scorer. 2-2 at the minute. 2-2 and Jack's got 1. Yeah! So I got 3. I'm 50%.
Do last round.
Well, we're having the last round, are we? Jack's trying to pull back some scores. Okay. One more lot of 3 then. So best out of 9.
So yeah, we'll do dodge shots each.
So I'm 3. Freya's 2.
I'm 1.
And you're 1. Okay, Jack's got to pull back some serious shots here. If you get all 3, Jack, and I don't get anything, and Freya don't get anything, we'll stand to be level. Jack's going to have another go because of his pathetic last performance. and he misses. So basically, if the zombies come, you better stay indoors while me and Freya sort them out. This is what's happening at the minute.
I'll be hand to hand.
Hand-to-hand combat is the next isolation video.
I'll go reset it. Freya, shield go, go on.
Kids with guns. Good Sunday afternoon entertainment. Oi! Well done. So that's 3. Yeah. That's 1. He's on it. That's 2. Can he get a full house? Not bad. So what we've concluded with that shenanigans is that if there's a zombie apocalypse, Jack's going to have to go in and do hand-to-hand combat on the front line while me and his missus take him out from a distance with the gun. So there you go, that's today's isolation video. Cool.